Welcome to this video tutorial of Kyligence Zen. In this tutorial, we'll go through how to create derived metrics. Open Kyligence Zen and navigate to the Metrics tab. Here, you'll find various options to analyze and derive insights from your data. Click on the Add New button. On the metric type page, select Derived Metric. Derived metrics allow you to define new metrics based on existing basic metrics, which enables you to perform more sophisticated analysis. In the Derived From, choose Total Cloud Spending. This serves as the foundation for your derived metric, and the calculation will be based on the values of the total cloud spending metric. Next, select the derivation type as moving calculation. This type of derivation allows you to calculate the derived metric using a moving average over a specified range of rows. Then, of course, we should select average as the aggregation type. Specify the calculation range starts at as minus 30 rows from the current row. This means that the calculation will consider the previous 30 rows when calculating the moving average. Then set the calculation range ends at as 0 rows from the current row. This indicates that the calculation will include the current row, resulting in a moving average over the past 30 rows. And then we need to select the appropriate format based on needs and preferences for this metric. Then we select date as the most appropriate time granularity for the time dimension in this metric. Finally, provide a display name and metric name for your derived metric. For example, you can name it Spending by 30-Day Moving Average. These names should be descriptive and meaningful for people to easily understand what this metric is for. Once you've completed these steps, click on the Create button to save your derived metric. Congratulations! You've successfully created your derived metric. Now take a moment to explore your newly created derived metric. You'll find it listed alongside your other metrics, ready for further analysis and visualization. Derived metrics allow you to unlock powerful analytical capabilities by building upon existing basic metrics. Specifically, by creating a derived metric based on total cloud spending with a 30-day moving average calculation, you can gain insights into spending trends over time.